Hello PhantomS users! The PhantomS app is now on Google Play. If you want to use your phone to configure game profile and download official game profiles from anywhere, you can now. Okay, if you're interested in the PhantomS app, I'll show you how to use it in this video. We need PhantomS, an Android phone with Android version 7.0 or above, 2 mini B to Type A cables, and an OTG converter. First, download the PhantomS app on Google Play. You need to connect one of the cables between the mini USB port marked PC on PhantomS and the USB port on your Android phone. PhantomS requires a power supply, so you have to connect to power or game in the settings. If you want to download our official profile, you have to sign up as one of our members. Please fill in the email, username, and also PhantomS serial number. The serial number is on the sticker on the back of the device. If you've ever used our forum before, but you forgot your password, there's a way to get it back. Choose Sign In with Email, and then Forgot Password at the bottom. This will redirect to the ATEN e-service page. Click Forgot Password there. Enter your email and we'll send you a new password.